Today, we're featuring a 2018 Western Star 4700 tandem dump truck. This unit comes fully loaded with a diamond VIT interior and leather seats, plus AM, FM, CD radio, and power mirrors. This Western Star features a Detroit DD13 engine with 470 horsepower, 212-inch wheelbase, Allison RDS 4500 transmission with a 4.89 gear ratio, Airliner suspension with a 20,000 front axle rating and 46K rear. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. Equipped solid with beacon lights, double frame, and a 16-foot 6-inch Nahanni dump box with high lift gate, rear hitch, plumbed wet for a pony trailer. This Western Star has only 117K original miles on it and is work ready. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.